Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate or deactivate the administrator using CMD in Windows 10. I will check my users. But there is no administrator, so search CMD. Run as administrator. You will get CMD interface. Then, type netuser administrator /active yes. To activate administrator. Press enter. You will get the message. The command completed successfully. Then I will check my users. Yes. There is an administrator. Now, I will command to deactivate. The same command but just change the S to no. Press enter. It is successfully deactivated. Thank you very much for watching. We are providing many simple tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Never miss another update. Have a nice day.